Repeat that again.
Okay, good morning everybody. Right now at the past room, the lead baby right there, she the high, she shy. Yeah, I have mangoes with chamoys and tahine. We have the spicy, we have the sweet chamoy, we have the original. Anybody could buy, poor, rich, anybody could buy that. $15.
All right, somebody in a salon. I'm looking for the pastor and I'm saying, look at mango and I'm looking for something there.
Yes, ma'am.
But this morning, I kind of eat mango because I have mango for the yard. So I can't even patronize the one because I don't know that go already. But big up yourself, I just wanted to get a little highlight for show you the people in the street
Yes,
who are also.
Yes,
Big up
ma'am.
yourself.
Don't say we see
Show the love.
Nothing wrong in making money.
That is it, you see it? See there? Good girl already in a support system, see there?
Yeah, get this.
Already there for my page how many times?
You take one as well, bit?
Yeah, see it? You get the support, you see that? Support, I like that.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Usually we
it.
have coconut waters, but right now the coconut look like gas cars.
Adam just go say me not snap coconut water. Me
Just to take it easy and try to make something out of something.
That is it. That not bad.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, this one.
Good morning guys, It's your girl Timar, one more day again out in the streets of Belize. So yesterday I said today are the 15th, but I was wrong. But today are the 15th and today is Wednesday. It was yesterday. So I am here in the store. I just had to come and buy like a selfie stick because I left mine at home. And this lovely beautiful girl here, she gave me a wonderful service. She even put on my phone for my selfie stick and set it up. I'm gonna, yeah, you know. So your girl team are gonna go all about in a Belize. I got all over here up the top of the dock, so I can see different views and different sites in Belize. So she's now going to cash me my change and they're gonna walk up and down and just go and buy. You understand? This is Deepening. This is one of the store where nice. Up there's the second floor, as you can see the elevator going up second floor. You have the kids clothes, then we can go up more. Third floor, that's where the restaurant is. I've been up there before. Very, very high class and upstanding. So I like up there. Then just expensive. Look at this area, Arbati big and shit. You can't spin the camera for everyone. Yes, see, booty battery big. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your service. Good morning, bowing and bowing. Me say your shape like Jamaican, so your body big, you know?
That's no player, no. She got everything.
Just a look for her and say, I want to Shensia.
Ouch!
Belize and
Ow,
Shensia.
you don't know. I'm just
Belize and Andrea Kingdom. No shagwan, sir.
she plug in, you know.
Good is just stuck up on the back, roll the
Ouch.
stuff. Roll on one part. No, sir.
That's a mother
So, now, I come outside out of the bar today. This is the
Mango man,
establishment.
coconut, mango man.
I will work upon Mango Man again. He wanted that video again. I was saw him this morning. Now Tamales man.
Thomas Mandia.
Yes. So tell the people.
Enough respect to my brother. Happy birthday.
Oh,
Respect.
big him up on his birthday, everybody.
Yes.
Today birthday. I want
First
July
July 16th.
Alright, so big up
Too
yourself.
sweet, too sweet.
Alright, that is it.
Aye.
Now, this man, I will introduce us to him tamales them. Him I will tell you what make the tamales and I'm going to tell you what flavor tamales, the different menu and everything. So talk to the people them.
Yeah, big up the top of the morning, guys. We got chicken tamales today. Today is a Wednesday. It's my birthday.
Okay.
You have chicken tamales. You have the chicken foot. You got the neck. You
My
got the
friend, my husband, why you see the pretty girl? Well, at the tamales, man. I understand, I'm going to bust him up. Why you run come and look woman side of me?
I'm going to be a big up one.
Because I think I look here, look her,
Make sure you tax by that.
you can't give 5, me go buy it. Come, you want tamales? Me I get tamales, you don't want. Stop. Come. How much is tamales? tamales?
Yeah, 350 no want tamales.
Yeah, collect for one and give him the 350 because me I try give him the money but he no wants it come.
At tamales, guys, pepper without.
Touring the whole Central America.
Alright,
With her love and harmony.
thank you very much.
Lisa.
Tell them some always come look for you. Anywhere them find
This
you.
is my sweetheart and darling.
Talk shows.
As no Jamaica said. I don't say,
No, my one.
I don't say,
Alright, you know what?
I don't say we have sweetheart and darling.
So him have sweetheart and him have darling. Him just over there so with him
You have
that.
a sweetheart and you have a darling.
But
Oh, you have a sweetheart
they're
and you
just
have a
over there
darling.
so with darling. Me see a while ago.
Everything, man. You everything.
Alright,
You everything
alright.
will be able.
Him not left me out.
That's sweet. Don't let me alone.
Tamales man. Yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy my tamales in front of everybody.
Yes.
And I'm gonna give my honest critiques
Yes.
about it.
Yes.
And if it's nice, we'll come back again.
Bring more customer this side.
Alright. So we're gonna go up the road, up on Albert Street. That's alright?
Yes, with the barber.
Right. Because remember, I'm not Belizean, I'm Jamaican and Belizean. So
Mix.
mix the two of them. So we are get it now. So we are go up the road, walk across the bridge. I don't know who side my husband there, but I go find him.
I'll find him.
So come people, come go walk and look for Mr. Nunes in a Belize City.
Alright.
Thank you,
Thank you, my love.
I'm not eat with spoon, sir. I crave a people eat with spoon. I fat me eat with.
Alright. Fix all this problem. No problem supposed to be existing. That's you.
You have the worst day in I believe.
Talk the truth.
This my girl, I bring you friggin'
Eh,
yo, a smile tell a million. A sadness, don't worry about that. Once a person make you smile, I'm a real woman. A real man could do it too.
That's
Check. So stay loving on yourself. Praise God, one life to live. Love, push as hard. Make your dollar.
hustle up. Big up. So we are walking straight up the road. Yeah.
Jamaica?
Yes, I am, baby. But I'm now living in Belize, America, Belize.
From Belize? Where's the Belize?
My husband.
Okay, well, you're a Belize.
Talk shows.
But you're a Belize man or a Jamaican man?
Why watch a lady want to put me in a mix up? The lady want to put me in a mix up. Every time I turn in a Belize, they want to mix me up. This, if I want to go to talk Jamaica, I'm going to go people go down there. And if I talk Belize, I'm going to people. So listen to me.
Same thing.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm not
Alright,
saying
baby,
nothing.
but the married to Belize men, so you put it on.
Yes, so them win. Them win. That from a married, that means say, I win in team that. Alright. You see? In the streets of Belize again. Wait the man, wait no watch you know. My restaurant, I always come buy my food. And them woman here, food always taste good. But not lie. Lady, I want me to lock down the business place and go. One left and gone. People, them lock down the business place, me I come make a bag of excitement. See them here, them lock down the business place. How long, how much a week?
One holiday, back in full effect.
Which holiday? Because I never know about the holiday, yeah. I never know about the holiday, yeah.
One holiday.
Me and my husband walk up there, walk, how much days, and them take holiday. How many do we eat? You can imagine?
Hey,
Just
no
this.
matter
Just it.
love. Back in full effect, I'm back in
After
richness.
me walk up and down and come look at me hungry. Listen to me, I am gonna be honest. These ladies cook one of the best food in Belize. I can say that. You know I'm give my criticism. If them never cook good, me would attack.
Yeah.
Them couldn't trick me and tell me nothing. And if them are gonna beat me in the comment section, I go talk. I not lie, them food tastes good. And me tell us say it tastes good, it tastes good.
Right.
Not many restaurants in Belize have quality food unless you got the big midtown. But this is one of the restaurants and I can come get milk juice, milk fruit juice. Yeah, this is where I stop. One of them. And have one around the back too. Below
Is
below
that a
bridge.
big deal?
Yes. Did you?
Did you
Yeah,
say
them,
we
them,
is?
them, them the good food. One of the when you just a start.
No, we done already. Rice and beans, stew beans, beef, pork, turkey, pigtail, shoe chicken, and fried fish. And in the juice we have watermelon, lime, and cucumber.
All right. So you what me gonna do, people? Me gonna buy food and sit down and eat it. I will give a criticism on it, so you have to help me. So here what I will give me. Give me a fish.
Rice and beans or stew beans?
Give me the stew beans.
What in the gravy?
What kind of gravy you have?
Chicken gravy, beef gravy, turkey gravy, pork gravy,
No, I don't eat pork, baby. So,
chicken gravy,
or the beef?
and beef.
Yeah, the chicken too, no problem. All right. So this is the court. This is the big magistrate court where up there, so upstairs, most of the big case them do. And oh, and that's where my husband came go married me. One dash up there. I say I do, and I have to say I does. So him carry me up there and married me, and then put the ring on my finger and say, your name Mrs. Nunes, that's why I'm today. People, him never engaged to me. He never asked if me want to marry to him. Him just jump and marry to me. Oh, this look like Aliyah! People must spot Aliyah from a mile. Aliyah! Go! Watch out, Aliyah make their ball out of you everybody. No, sir. And this is the Heritage Bank. Yeah, and this is Belly's Bank. Mr. Aliyah run and Daja hide. Yes, and this is Dibari. So yeah. So this is the court, one of the court. This is the other court, and the seaside and stuff like that. Aliyah! Oh, see the bus there, see the electrical bus there. Hey, my friend! Friend, what more? People, this is one of my best conductor.
Yes.
Pretty boy flying, you know, same favor, pretty boy flying. Lord Jesus! Watch ya! Lord Jesus!
All good?
Yeah. All right.
Come take the best ride now, Belize. E-ride.
Right.
We work with the council, but we provide the best, efficient, safest, clean ride now in the city.
So do you have to give me the
Price list?
where go and the price list too?
Yes, we charge $1 for the college citizen, $2 for the students, and $3 for the VIP.
Okay.
We travel around the city one way. We have Princess Margaret Drive, Coney Drive, Butwood Bill, Mahogany Street, back downtown.
Okay.
1 hour route, half an hour gap in between the two buses. Two buses, come and ride with us. You feel the love.
All right. So the bus over there, so. Watch drive in the bus over there, sir. Mama, make sure go over there in the bus. Hold on there, hold on. Make sure my food share, may I come. So this is the e-ride. Hello, Ansam, how are you? So this is the bus. This is the e-ride that you hear the doctor just speak about. See it? Come, we're coming at the bus. We're coming at the bus. People, I'm not video nobody that don't want to leave it. Watch out, this is Shashi. Good afternoon, how are you? Come see in the e-bus. Yeah, and everybody that the e-bus are enjoying themselves. Everybody is smiling. Me say, look like everybody want myself. Yeah, because this is the e-bus, people. Very cozy, nice for AC and everything. Mommy, what is that you're eating? Can I taste it? Can I taste it? I have no problem. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, this look like drops. This look like something we call them drops at Jamaica. See there? Drops. You make out a coconut?
Yes.
Oh, we call this drops in Jamaica. When we call it what?
Tableta.
Tableta.
Yes.
Oh, you make it. Explain that to me now.
Well, cook it, then heat they use, must say honey or brown sugar.
Last time I asked you, the same thing we do. We use the brown sugar and cook it and make it boil.
Yeah.
Same thing, but we call it drops.
Okay. This is tableta and Belize. You can even put ginger in it.
Drops in a Jamaica. So you call it?
Tableta.
And me call it? Drops. That's what we call it. So bye guys.
Hey.
Please everybody subscribe to my channel. I am a Jamaican living in Belize.
Married to a Belizean man.
When me drop to nobody, I drop to up my man. Come on.
So how to find out on YouTube?
Right now, I am a Jamaican living in Belize. And you go see my papa. And just subscribe, comment, like, talk, anything you want to talk, alright? Love you guys.
Belize all the time?
Go.
I like that. I drop. See hot doctor there?
Yeah.
Yeah, friend. Everything's bang. My food ready? I'm coming. Lord, hear that. Repeat again for me. Repeat. Talk to her.
Which one do you prefer, my love?
Macaroni coleslaw.
Or fresh veg?
Give me a little bit of fresh veg.
Okay, sweet.
Alright, so people. We just hit drops a while ago. Them.
You want any dressing on it?
Just a little bit, my baby. Watch how the lady pull up my food. Actually, she knows me I put that on YouTube. You know, you want so she put it on plate and give me.
You know it's what we serve, sweetie.
Me
Take it full of satisfaction.
No, man, I feel special. Hold my food, I put my
Yes,
camera.
sweetie.
See them? Watch my fish. Alright. So we're going to dive up into this and talk the things them. Okay. Alright. So can I have the people them know the location and what is the restaurant
Number one,
name?
Battlefield Park. The
In the,
restaurant is fish and chips.
okay. In the heart of the
Downtown.
Alright, so in the heart of Downtown Plaza, you can come and get your quality service from these two young ladies. But not gonna lie, them food off the hook and them give me enough food to them.
Silence, sweetie.
Yeah, so you can come at Downtown Plaza where you see the statue, Heritage Bank, but
Battlefield Park.
number one Butterfield Park, you get your good food, lollipop food, see them? Good by the skies. What skies batty boy, yeah? Yeah, stand. Yeah, me always a chode skies. What skies and our good food. Skies, tell me how the food tastes. See there? And skies eat pork. I don't eat pork. So look at that skies plate, people. That's why skies batty big, so. See it? At that. So we're gonna walk back now to the shop. Skies lock up the food, Skies. Skies lock up the food. Skies lock up the food. Watch it, should not still not lock it up. So come, we're gonna go down in the we're going to a PR shop. Watch it, look there. Crowd start come up. I'm not like people, them food nice. Yeah, them food tastes good for you. I'm gonna buy tamales and I still buy food. The Heritage Bank. Why the lady want me to speak your good body? Come on, come and see what people say nice self, yeah. They're good?
Yes.
The people themselves for start vlogging a belly, so I have to do it. I have to, them demands it. My head drop. Jesus, man, now go down with you and a girl. Girl, me not take no charge with you. Hi, boo. Me not take no charge with them, me not take no blame with you. Yeah. right? But still, I'm gonna let them put my fridge and I'm gonna buy it from him. I just tell him, so I come buy the self stick in here, I'm gonna buy it somewhere else. That's it. Okay, all this one, please. All this. Now, what do you look for shop video like this? What is gonna stop in here? So, this is now and forever. Be your own kind of beauty, kind of beautiful. All right, so right, take a look at sneak peek in there. You're good? Hi, darling. How are you? Yeah, so I take a look at sneak peek and go in there. Security. You have put up on my channel, make I get a girlfriend. Watch out, people! People, watch my cousin-in-law! Watch my cousin-in-law! Watch my still good cousin-in-law! My friend-in-law! Ella good ass! Ella! No, sir. Ella friend, see? No, sir. Hi, darlings. Oh, hello, sir. You are Belizean artist? Are you? Stop now, me for run down. Sir, stop on about them. I come down pay and make one bag of nice and stop the whole place for you. Yes, sir. I'll not walk past me like couldn't know me. I couldn't stay, sir.
You guys are American?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. And you are? Tapper?
Yeah.
Where the DJ?
Singing.
You're singing? Okay. She tell me because, as I said before on my first vlog, I don't know any Belizean artists. I don't know. They can't come do a school treat. They can't come perform. But him want God like him want me run him down. No, me not run him down. So they can't come do a little performance with me. I'm a little treat. But the people them say go out themselves. So Skies can link me up with them. So Skies they have to all like people them boy.
Okay.
Alright, not so fast. Give me a touch. Give me a touch. Big up yourself. What your name? Tell me your name again. Come never hear good. Top Rick.
Yeah.
Alright, so people. Alright, people. Big artist there. If I pass by Sky, show me him. Some of us big him up. Big up, mommy. Yeah. Him can't run. Come and have time for him. Now too big. I want to go inside the boutique right there. So too. Alright. So my Skies are going down the road to come juice. No sir, a whole heap of food. A whole heap of food is in the Skies. Hi baby. You're so pretty. Yeah, so Skies, I forgot to give me the artist them number. So Skies say, people, me and Skies are par. And Skies not a big artist, them and Skies just show me and tell me them. No man, Skies, you're bad. You're bad. Hello, darling. Yeah.
You get more food supply in there?
Them service number?
Pencil and stuff, yeah. The service number.
Okay, then we're going to stop in there. Yeah. Restaurant start off people now. Sometimes days they're so full. Hello, darling. Oh, come on, walk. Good. Yeah. So we are walking on now. Divas plus size again. We're going to go have a little food and spend a little time, and then we're going to go back up Old River and walk up the gun. You know? Hi darling, I'm back. So see? Yeah, good body Skies. Grana Divas plus Mama D, restaurant one. So all of the good body girl them. Yeah. Yes, are the place to come. Downtown Plaza. Yeah, right there so you can get it better. Everything and more. Shop in Mama's Day. For all of the big body girl them and the hot girl them, come get it stuff them, get it nice clothes them. See them, mommy, what kind of dress you look, mommy? You see anything you like? Do you want any assistance? Cause we have a nice clerk, Syria, customer service. Come on, mommy. Yeah. The boutique to be for all the big, nice shape, good body girls them. You can pass, darling.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. When you come and I go say a figure that I gonna make you feel good about yourself. Yeah, man. Don't know skies. Shall I look a big body and I will for something? You can pass, darling. Yeah. So when I come, just hi, darling. Cause we look out for everybody. Many of them look out for me now, but me know them look out for the big body girls them and the large XX large size.
We have another store.
Yeah, I'll make a walk out there.
Yeah, we have another store, a family store, you find
More smaller size. Okay, so I'll be going up that side looking from this. Yeah, I'm there now. Downtown Plaza again. Now I'm push for whole river there. I got one nice restaurant to sell expensive food. Yeah, watch out. This morning me lotion body and lick my finger. The whole of my fingernail broke out like that. Well, it did already grow back because it broke already this one. And then I lick it again and it just broke out and full of blood. Yo, it hurts like crazy this morning. It not so hurts now, but it did this morning, trust me. Like now, push on my body, man. Yeah. So I'm just walk up the road. I'm showing Old River. It's actually like a sea go across and the bridge parted. So we are walking up that side right now. The sun is sunning. Yeah, the sun is sunning. When I tell you this hot happening in the sun, hot. Jesus. So let's go and stroll through Belize City again. And I want to walk the road. I never have left go find a selfie-stick because I left my selfie-stick at home. Guys, I had to buy a next selfie-stick because I can't hold the phone in my hand. No, sir. No, Jaja. I'm going to get another selfie-stick because Ella say, you look nice. And I said, thanks. I said, people, this man, you want to see me push the banana wave again. Somebody in the comment section say, my ears, watch already. Already. Somebody in the comment section say, my hairstyle look like peel banana. So I peel it again one more time and set it up. Yeah, cause and somebody else comment and say it fit me, so I can give it a break. Thank you guys for the comment. Whether it good or bad, where I go?
I'm okay, sell it for $2 for $5 all.
I want to go for Old River. Hello. You like my hairstyle? I said, mommy, about 5 hours, I stand up to that push and that tone and that push and that. Just for perfection. Thank you, baby.
You have a best day.
Same to you, darling. Now do something. Come then, girl.
I'm not going there.
I'm not stop at Old River. I just go up there for vlog Old River. Come in, I just up there so someone give them different looks at different places.
You vlog?
Hmm?
You vlog?
How do you do? We don't cast all of this. Sorry, darling. Already not with me that black. Let's go, miss. Let's go. So I meet the artist and say, stop trouble people, man. You the trouble people, man. The artist. I don't know him. And somebody show me him. But stop trouble people, man. You the trouble sister, man. He say, counter artists, them, I can't understand what they're saying. Eh?
What's about you?
You told me like that history. Fuck man. They're not gonna. I said this is $2 from them. So we're in the alley. Going up the road, me at Oradine, come and catch her. Watch wedding Batty look like two children. Watch her friend Batty and grow. friend Batty and tremble, catch friend Batty. Friend Batty and tremble.
She won, no, she won.
Ah, no, sir. You have to be content with it. When they get the grasses out, they lie. The girl says she's contented. So anybody on my vlog that need a nice wife, say yeah?
No.
Yes.
I don't need nobody.
You're getting
Thank
a nice
you, bye.
husband.
I'm not looking.
No, she's not looking.
not looking.
I'm giving her to a nice husband. Oh, my friend, there were blacks there. Blacks guy not work. Oh, come here, call you, and I told him I look for me like, I don't know if I try the language me I talk. And you know me. I can't believe him there, so I stop and look for me like, you don't know me, you don't know me.
We know your man.
Why? But soon come back out to the seaweed, man. Right? Yeah, man. Put it back, put it back. Them that wave to me. No, sir. No, ma'am. I am really a celebrity in our wedding. Everybody been knowing me. I did tell her something I go away. Already, I'm tell her something soon come here, go right to us and come back. Why already love fight to me and a domestic battle?
Why come back there?
I'm catch her door. We are very, whatever way I go. That's some nice brother look good friend in our real ear. In our real ear. No plastic. After the human. Well, where did I go? You can't cross the road, you know. Where did wait and remember I cannot cross the road already. Hi darling. You have to hold my hand. Okay, go make car lick me down. Yes, see that word enough for hold my hand, people. Down the magic. Yes, them can't the grass is so rich. Watch we rich. Freddy and the song of a chick ching. You can't get a lick of the rest of the minister grass, you know. Else we don't get $1. No, sir. Yeah. Go straight in the oven. So we're now entering in Old River. It's a what is it? It's one of the fine restaurants. It's over where the sea deck is.
To do what?
Nice little deckings, you know. Outside I see the seaside. The ship, the boat them. What you already that like Papa me? You see already this is not a good friend, you know. After we make the mistake, already that pop up. No, some of them can't already go nowhere. Already shaped like a dog. No sir. So this is where that is Sprinters, that's where the boat is. Or take got some page. One of the boat stop. Yes. And this is a very nice restaurant. Really nice. Already they take me as one day to come have what? Lunch?
Yeah.
Yes. Me, you can, no?
Yeah.
Yes, we came here to have lunch. It was very wonderful. Only thing it expensive. Walk this up? Okay. This love me. Hi, darling. See my friend is come. Come, see my nice friend there. Yeah, yeah. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. You're good? Alright. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Alright. Subscribe, like, share, leave your comments. Get people so good, but already in there. I'm telling you, say me a husband here. Let's go, goodie. You can't talk in a belly's like a belly. Belly's man, I said them single, but them taking. I darling, eh? Not if yeah, me that kind of no, me don't want yeah. It says so can get that outside, you know? How are you, son?
You're across the bridge.
Miss, me care something to come right at Oliver and turn back. What could I cast all the whole of this, so God? People tell me no. The lady want me to come right at Oliver and turn back. I hold my phone properly, can focus in drop over in the water. Hey, boy, YouTube will be floated. And the phone never gonna come back up in that straight, don't get it, I go.
No more phone. No more luggage.
See there? I went on this boat and got some page. Hello. Yeah, man, be a video. What's a video? Where can I build in there? That one there. That big one.
Yeah, rich kid.
Hey, you want to go fish one?
Pakuno Castillo Center.
This is inside the Sprinters. Boy, I wait for people to go across. Master God. Oh, in the crowd, the people got some picture. I'll be a foreigner there, watch, yeah. Watch, yeah. Jamaican taxi man. Jamaican taxi man. Wagwan. Oh, well, the people there, man. This place is crowded. Okay? Belly is full of people today. I'm sorry. The crowd is here. The body one got some page. Oh, them come to the lobster fest. The people them. There's so much people there. Over some page of them I go. Sorry, darling. This which one? Okay. So this is a nice Spooners restaurant.
Don't know what you.
Hello, blessings.
I don't see I'm getting knocked down.
Get knocked down, let me see.
Where from Jamaica you're back from?
Kingston! Kingston!
We are carrying on production.
A lie! Ah! Kingston, my father come from Trenchtown. Yeah. But there, so that's it. What I read the name again? I not even know what I read the name. What I read the name?
Is that like going to tourist village? I don't know which one. Or is that going to tourist village?
Oh, so we're not going to tourist village. Towards. Them local site is very good because then there must be some nice little spot in a Belize. Not just one place. Me I try to showcase everywhere. Yeah. You know the near the boat place. Blessings. Blessings. Yeah. What one? Huh? You want to come in, Nate? Yeah. You are Jamaican?
I believe that.
Alright. What one?
Nothing much. I got a nice marijuana.
Jesus Christ, you have a problem. Look out here, I see a taxi man want to lick me down. So you like the marijuana?
Oh, of course we sell it.
Oh, Jesus.
It looks spontaneous, it looks sexy though.
Aye, my husband a police, so me lock you up.
Lock me up?
You not play with him, pum
I
pum.
think your word is going to lock me up for you.
Fuck, man. See him there? Say I got prison for the pum pum.
I like it.
Alright. You see them? Them love my triple this nice country. Dark truth! Man, say me shake on my Jamaican bumper. But where are they in? Who's my partner in crime there? All everybody come for have some page. After this, darling. So everybody land, yes, the plane land. Everybody flying for the lobster fest. Yeah. Hello. Sorry, baby. So as I said, there's a lot of visitors right now, and they fly down. And some page of them I go. When I got some page, I got kikaka. So you have the stories of this is the this is a taxi, water taxi. Hi, baby. See them? You can come get a little juice, a little t-shirt, a Belizean accessories and stuff. Express tour guide, come purchase a ticket. Yeah. See? You come buy your ticket right in here, so wait on your boat. When the boat come, your boat take care. Hi, darling. You go for your water taxi. Yeah, see them? So this is we said already in Afghan, you have the craft market. People already gone hide, and me I walk up and I look for already in me.a. So this is a craft market store. You can get Belizean crafted things. Come now. So this fine young man say, "Want come in on my blog?" So I'm gonna make sure I put him in it.
What kind of position you want me pose off in now?
Jesus, just tell him and talk anything where you want to talk. Anything.
Anything beautiful lady, why are you going around videoing me instead of you giving me a perfect shot?
Oh God, hey people, my apple up already said already go get water for me after me walk up and down in the sun.
Don't take the water from Oraline.
Why?
She know me very well. Ask her about
Why this look like a love connection? Something.
we know the food that used to go in her.
Jesus Christ. come now. We are going right there. So come now, word in, man. Sure. Come now, word in. Nice. Sorry, baby. Him a run. Hi, darling. See, they get to look at things, them. See them there? It's a... Hi, baby. See, yeah. So you come through here, so. The boat, we got it right there. There's about no boat in there now. So, we'll go through here, so. Yeah, board the boat right there, so. Go on some page or peacock. Already say she has to go back to work. So she can't walk with me here, there, and everywhere. Whew. Why the sun is sunning. Come on then. Golf cart rental. $40 US. So they rent them golf cart. He want to take wedding boom boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Already in say cocoa, him say pum 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 pum.
Rascal, talking about potato.
The man say, he wants mother body there. Wow, wiggle out, wiggle out, wiggle out, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Already, the man say, in the business, who is your ex? I get everybody. Every day I feel like today the best day out of every day. No, sir. Where are you going? Where you lovely ladies going? San Pedro or Kikaka? Oh my God, I'm not flowing for the niceness. But as I hear my accent, I'm from Jamaica. Okay. So I went, the nicest part I think is San Pedro. Yeah, Kikaka just, but San Pedro, they get more experience, more bigger to me. So this is the spot to go. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Okay, so Kikaka, San Pedro, well fully booked out, every hotel booked out because hello. Everybody is ready for the July Lobster Fest. So everybody fly in for the Lobster Fest. So right now the place crowded. So I'm at the tourist village. As I just say, I went inside the where the Belly's Express water taxi is. So I just went inside there. My friend already in to get my water because the sun is sunning. Yes, so now I walk up to the seaside. They go start my husband. Hey, beg you drive there. Hey, my friend, beg you drive. Beg you drive. Yeah, man, at the golf cart. I try to say me can bum a ride in the golf cart. Say me can bum a one ride. Yeah. Yeah. But the man drive past against me, Lord Jesus. Yes, sir. Where they out in there? See? That's an insurance building. Yeah. This is the memory of G. Richard in the 2012. See there? See? So, if you can see in headstone, see? Yes, yeah. Find some historical things and about Belize. So I walk up. I'm gonna see if I can find my way without lasting. I think I can find my way. So the sun hot. Me, the sun is sunning. This is why I'm hot. 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 The sun is in hot. Hey, because I'm hot. Go, 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 go! Kingston, Jamaica, It's cute. All right. When you know me, I'm going. You know one thing about me.
Who are the real artists.
All right.
You know? So we need promotion, we need to be known.
That-
Because we have talented people.
See it?
A lot of, I mean, the world doesn't know it, so we need to expose them.
I just meet one of my Belizean friends. Wagwan.
As part of their life, Belize part of general, no? Yeah, as I was telling my friend last night, I talked to her young lady for TikTok, right?
Yeah.
And I explained to her, he have on what blouse. But the blouse have, it show a belly, right? So whenever female expose her belly, I usually encourage her to put her earring there. So I refer to it as cooler, right? And I don't know if they got a slang like that, but that's my thing, cooler.
Well, I don't know what that means. That you just attend this and really like it.
Yeah, man, neighbor cooler mean what's whenever you show your neighbor your belly, right? And once if you look beautiful and if you clear, you're supposed to go a tattoo there with a red stone. Watch here, you see me, I know if you dress woman good. Well, Jamaican, they already know if you dress because Jamaican full of style. Okay, they're the head of Belize, right? Belize. So they're like she was
But I said Belizean and Belizean people them rush me like me don't know why them feel they say okay then it's disrespectful because at the end of the day Jamaica is this if you got Jamaica and come like America then everything big 10-15 storage building. Our hospital I think a 5 floor. Our hospital. Okay. So when I try to explain to them go in the comment section and make a bag of nice. You know how speedy Jamaica
no, but you
is,
see
right?
the difference with Belize and Jamaican, right? Belizean, where Belizean get there to in a violence, but Jamaican not talk kill. Jamaican will kill you. Me, I'm not so sure if I'm going to Jamaica. Me, I just not sure because I watch a lot of their videos
and they're very aggressive.
Yes, they're aggressive. Their people are killing you. Yeah, and I watch them murder rate. Right now, the murder rate still high, and like Jamaica, they reach a point where the police they're just killing. Okay. Yeah, the police. No, I see that in a real life. The police not bring them to justice. You know that? No,
police just tell you don't move. So if you want to move, that's your business.
Don't move a button. Cause you move a button, you get it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to Jamaica. Jamaica.
But Jamaica nice too.
Yeah, I know, but I just tell me, I follow my mind. I will more go to America. And I don't want to go to America right now because America, they're really bounce. And I'll tell you something, I need to study this about the Rasta man, the Jamaica. Because they preach about motherland, Africa. Our part Ireland, they go Bujubantan Ireland. They go to the Unibam country, which is America. America is Unibam. So how could these Jamaican roots man or Rasta man talk about motherland, Africa,
different.
and then they go to Unibam country, America. So me more positive. I more believe I'm more positive than. But the Rasta Jamaica, the boss steal. Anyway, I'm missing. Blessed to see you, no? You look good, right? Your hair look good, right? Yeah, man. Blessed. All right, baby.
Okay, so this is the location of the one of the craft market in the tourist corner. So this is the entrance going in. As I see, I've seen a lot of handiwork, very creativity at its finest. Trust me, I'm like, yo, these people are very talented, very creative. See, you can get a little chain, a little ears ring. You can look up that. And I put out a little earring set. Man, see? I look up painting and
Hello.
stuff. Hi, darling. How are you?
This is another shop, you know. It's not the same with the
No,
first shop.
I know. I'm giving everybody a exposure
Uh-huh.
and an opportunity to display their
Okay.
craft. All right?
My shop's name is Stilla's
All
Creation.
right. Let I be professional with you. I'm not going to treat you less than anybody else.
I mean, we are the artisans out here in Belize City, no? But there are many,
Okay.
which I would like them to be included,
All right. You can go ahead.
you know. And what else should I say? I want them to be
Recognize.
recognized because a lot of men
Right.
that they do good works,
Right.
and sometimes you can't reach them.
Right.
But I'm just letting you all know
Right.
that they need to come up and showcase their work too.
All right.
But
So your name and how can they reach you in case they
okay,
need?
I'm Ishtila's Creation out here. My jewelry name, the Earth Song Jewelry. Why? Because most of my material come from the earth.
Okay.
So I named the Earth Song Jewelry.
Right.
I am right here and located in Tourist Village Zone.
Okay.
Visiting the city.
Right.
Come to Ishtila's Creation.
All right.
Ish is a Maya word for miss.
Okay.
By the way, I speak Maya too.
Okay. You speak
I
Mayan.
speak Maya.
Okay.
I end up speaking 4 languages.
4 languages.
Yes.
I speak only one.
Only one?
Yeah. Patois. Jamaican language. We speak.
Are you from Jamaica?
Yes, I am. I'm living in Belize. I'm married to a Belizean. So I got encouraged to do a vlog on Belize and the culture because Jamaicans we don't really know about Belize, but Belize know about Jamaica.
Yes.
So when
I've been to Jamaica twice.
you been to Jamaica,
Yes.
I lie.
And I share culture. But I am deeply involved in culture too. In
Right.
culture, so to educate the world around us.
All right, so you see, so what I'm doing now, I'm just giving them an inside look on what is not been exposed and put out there.
Exactly.
So I'm giving the opportunity to each and every individual in Belize to say, okay, this you can showcase your talent. Whether it is the artist, the art. I just want everybody to like say, okay, this is don't be shy, don't hide away from the camera because if you want to get exposure, you have to come in at the camera. That's how 10,000 and 50,000 and people are going to know about your business, about what you have to offer, what is it that you're trying to get on the market. You don't know. I'm building my page and my page is going. And if 4 or 5,000 people can see you, a business that. So it's very good. I tell them,